This video about Droop control based PV battery system integrated with inverter using PQ control. These are the DC sources, means DC microgrid, which is contained PV, battery and DC source. The renewable energy and DC sources are integrated with boost converter and it is controlled by Droop controller. So here we have controlled that DC microgrid by using Droop controller. And this is the DC load, and then the inverter is integrated with DC microgrid. At end of that at end of that inverter we have used synchronous generator for inverter support. The inverter is controlled by PQ control along with PLL. The inverter pulse is generated from PWM generator. The DC microgrid power, voltage and current, everything is balanced. Here we can check the DC microgrid signal response. This scope shows the DC microgrid output voltage and output current with Droop coefficients. This is output voltage of DC microgrid, output current of DC microgrid, and this is Droop coefficient which is used in DC microgrid. This scope shows that battery input current and battery output current along with reference battery current. And this one shows, this scope shows that DC microgrid load bus. Here we can check inverter active power and reactive power. Here we can check inverter voltage and current.